Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and we're looking at Nutrien today. Why are we looking at this? Well, I was holding my usual Monday live trading session this morning, and one of our members asked about this. You know, I'm always looking for new trades. I'm reviewing open trades that we have and a couple other things. But I get a lot of requests for different stocks, and frankly, most of the answers are, well, not now. I don't think so. This is what you want to look for. But I'm not doing that here. The reason is because this is actually forming a pretty good kind of basing pattern here. You can see 50-day moving average is key. And sometimes it gets crushed, and that's why people lose money. Same thing here, it falls below it. But when the stock tags this 50, like here, didn't quite even make it there. But you can see when the stock tags this 50 and holds up, that's when you make money. When it falls below, that's when you lose money, or you got to white knuckle it. And so what I'm seeing here with Nutrien is after today's volume, which was really heavy, the stock looks to me like it's holding up just fine, and it's probably going to make new highs here. So what I would suggest you do is, if you like this stock, and this is your trade, it ain't mine. If you like this stock, you got to give it at least 4%. That is to the bottom of Thursday's intraday low of we'll say 67. So you want to keep it a little bit below that. You could even drop it all the way down below here, but that's, it's kind of giving it maybe a little more room than you want to give it, because the whole idea of buying this stock is because you expect this. You don't expect this kind of pullback. And so, you frankly, on something like this, you want to keep your stop maybe a little snugger than you normally would, just because you're expecting this. And I would also trade fairly small to start with. The base is, it's down a little bit fast, but I like the way this is trading. But you might want to start a little bit small, give the stock room to wiggle, and then if the stock starts proving us correct, that's when you would add to the position. Okay? All right, look, that's it. Just want to let you know we're having a sale on a workshop that I'm going to be teaching in March, and it's actually a pretty significant discount, but it's only to members. If you're not a member, you ain't going to get that opportunity. So I just thought I'd let you know. And that includes trial members, by the way. So take the hint or not. I gave it to you. See you next time.